In the world of automotive legends, few names hold the weight of the Ford GT. A symbol of American innovation and racing heritage, it conquered Le Mans and captured the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. Today, we unveil a rare gem, the 2006 Ford GT 101 edition. Buckle up, Gearheads, because this isn't your average Ford. This limited edition 2006 Ford GT isn't just a car. It's a rolling piece of racing history. Its design pays homage to the legendary GT40, crafted for both aerodynamic efficiency and head-turning presence. But the beauty goes far beyond the skin. Nestled behind the driver lies a beating American heart, a formidable 5.4-liter supercharged V8 engine, capable of generating a thrilling 550 horsepower, enough to propel this reborn legend from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.5 seconds. Climb inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly comfortable cockpit designed for pure driving pleasure. The driver's seat is your throne, with all controls within easy reach, allowing you to become one with this American icon. Owning a 2006 Ford GT 101 edition isn't just about driving a car, it's about owning a piece of automotive history. It's a conversation starter, a symbol of American muscle reborn, and a reminder that legends can be revisited and cherished. The 2006 Ford GT 101 edition is more than a car, it's a dream realized. It's a testament to Ford's racing heritage and a reminder that sometimes the most valuable finds come in limited quantities and immaculate condition.